Area of sector in terms of pi with Donald King and Jay Coolidge. Formula for area of sector. First and foremost, define the area of the sector in terms of pi and as a decimal rounded to the nearest tenth. Area of a sector equals angle x, pi, radius, second power, with angle being divided by 360. Boring stuff. Now for those who do not know how to read equations in terms of basic English, here is an outline for you to follow along. Area of a sector is equal to angle over 360 degrees multiplied by pi multiplied by radius to the second power. When simplified, the decimal is then counted to the nearest tenth and is the answer to the area of a sector. More boring stuff. I know what you're thinking. At this point, he should be finished, shouldn't he? And to that, I say, shut up. We're almost finished. For the next step, answers in terms of pi. We take the previous equation and do not use pi in the equation. If you end up with a decimal, round to either half the next full number or the previous lower number. The previous equation is area of a sector equals angle x, pi, radius, power, or second power, angle being divided by 360. In the new equation, answer in terms of pi, angle x, radius, to the second power, angle is divided by 360. Final step of boring stuff. This is it. The last formula I got to teach y'all for my good grade. The formula for converting degrees to radians, the formula in terms of proper English, degree measure divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 2 times pi. The formula in terms of mathematical equation, x degrees times 2 pi, degrees being divided by 360. Finally, the arc of the story. Did you get the pun? Our equation. Right, Jake?
Hell yeah.
Right. Number 1, 45 divided by 360 times pi 6 with the second power equals 14.1. Then for the second, it's 45 divided by 360 times 6 to the second power equals 4.5. That is then converted to 9 pi over 2. For the third question, it is 45 divided by 360 times 2 pi, and you get the degree of 88.59. The final credits. First off, I'd like to thank me for creating such a beautiful illustration of how to solve a world problem, albeit a small one, that was assigned to me by wonderful teachers in the classroom. The second person I'd like to thank is my partner Jake for sitting there and looking pretty. Just as we had discussed, he's a quiet fellow. As you have seen today, he ain't deaf or anything. He just likes to not strain his vocal cords. And finally, I'd like to thank the audience for sitting through my jokes. I hope you learned something today. And if not from me, then from the people either before or after me.